Hello students, this video I am starting a new chapter, mass and weight. So mass is the quantity of matter possessed by a body, how much the material or the substance present in a body is called as its mass. So then what is matter? Matter means anything which is having weight, dimension, elasticity, or some other physical properties is called as a matter. The quantity of that matter present in a body is called as the mass of the body. The mass of the body. The unit of mass, there are three systems of units: CGS, FPS, and MKS system. In CGS system, the unit of mass is grams, and in FPS it is pounds or libs. In MKS it is kilogram, and the mass is measured using a scale tarazu. So, this is the definition and units of mass. Let's take the definition unit of weight. So then what is weight? Weight is the product of mass and acceleration due to gravity. The gravitational force multiplied by the mass of the substance give its weight. Weight is a vector quantity which is having both magnitude and direction, whereas mass is a scalar quantity which is having only magnitude but not the direction. So here also weight is having three system of units similar to mass. In CGS system weight is grams, and in FKS system weight unit of weight is pounds or libs. In MKS system it is kilogram, the unit of weight. So you may observe in the diagram I have given here. You may observe the diagram I have given here, that is a man is standing on moon and on earth. Man is standing on moon and on earth. Same man. The man weighs 120 kg in case of moon, and he weighs, same man weighs 1200 Newton or kg in on earth. But the mass of man, material or the content of man remains same, that is 120 kg in both the cases. That means the weight of man changes from place to place, location he stands, or weight of any object also changes from place to place where it is used. It is used to stand. That means the mass is constant in all over the universe. It doesn't changes. Mass of a object or a man doesn't changes, but the weight of man or an object changes depending on the location of man or object on this universe, because the gravitational force or acceleration due to gravity changes from place to place on earth on the universe also. Hence the mass remains constant, but the weight changes from place to place. If so, what are the difference between mass and weight? Let's take the difference between mass and weight. The first point in mass and weight difference is the mass quantity. The quantity of matter possessed by a body is called mass. Weight is the product of mass and gravitational force. The, the material, the matter possessed by a body is called as mass. The product of mass and gravitational force is called as weight. The mass remains constant a lot at all places. The mass, that is the matter content in a body, remains same at all places on the earth or on the universe. The weight changes from place to place. The weight will not remain same because the value of gravitational force, what we called as G, which will change from place to place. Hence the weight also changes depending on the gravitational force. The mass is measured by using tarazu. The mass is measured by using the tarazu. The diagram I have to show you in the beginning of the video. The weight is measured by using physical balance. Physical balance, as you know, all the instruments used in labs to measure the materials, that is, those are called as physical balances. The weight is measured by using physical balance. The mass is a scalar quantity. The mass is having only magnitude but no direction. But weight is vector quantity. It is having both magnitude and direction. So these are the four major differences between mass and weight. So in this video I have explained you what is mass, what is weight, and what are the differences, and main differences between mass and weight are explained in this video. In the next video I am going to give you some simple problems to calculate mass, weight, and gravitational force G in different type of problems. So thank you for watching.